And you're in the lab with me, JJ. Today is mail call. Some stuff from Amazon today. So it's going to be pretty quick. There's a couple of envelopes and a box, so hopefully it won't take us too long to get through. And today's silly job title is Benchmaster. Today I am the Benchmaster. So let's pop over to the bench and have a look at what's arrived in the mail. Here on the bench. And the first parcel we have today is this big honking thing. Look at that. I might even throw you over to the room cam and see this thing. We're gonna cut it out. It's a set of three mesh baskets which are used for project boxes and stuff like that. So I might just do this in fast forward mode. Man, wasn't that a hassle? Anyway, here they are. These are my mesh project boxes. They're I'll show you over here. They're just mesh container for keeping stuff in. I use them for projects and storage and such. Very good. Now I'll just grab the next lot of stuff. All right, so just a few envelopes of things to get through from Amazon. All right, so this is a USB hub. Very good. This is a power supply. Power supply for the old MacBook Pro, I believe. Let's get him out of the box here. Yep. It's a MacBook Pro USB-C power adapter. Very good. Another container here. Batteries. All right, well, I will file these. Let's do that together. All right, so that's the AAA batteries out of the box into the container. I've got a splinter. I've got a little splinter in my finger. That's what it is. It's like glasses. All right. I'll just fix this quickly. Well, I just chopped the plastic bit out so that I can put this in the scrapbook. Up next, looks like some cheat sheets to me. Let's see what we've got. Chemistry and physics, thermodynamics, and chemistry. Why have we got two chemistry? Oh yeah, okay. Chemistry, equations and answers, and chemistry. Cool. So I'll file those for the other ones. I've got a whole swag of those. And what's this? All right. And here's some more of the same. This is elementary algebra and electronics 2 and dynamics, which is physics, motion and such, physics 2 and Excel. Very good. I might as well show you the rest of those. If you didn't see the previous video where I got a whole heap of the quick study cheat sheets. They're really quite good. I'll show you what we've got. So this is them. And these are the new ones. So let's say pre-algebra, algebra. What have we got here? Physics, dynamics, electronics, elementary algebra. So let's do pre-algebra, and then we'll do elementary algebra, and then we'll do algebra part 1 and algebra part 2. We've got thermodynamics, and I want that to go with dynamics. Let's do dynamics, then thermodynamics. But we'll do geometry, trigonometry, calculus, calculus equations and answers, differential equations, statistics, probability, linear algebra, physics. Now, where's physics 2? There's physics 2. All right, so we've got physics 1 and physics 2. And then we've got physics equations and answers. And then let's do dynamics and then thermodynamics. And then let's do chemistry. Let's do the periodic table. Then we'll do chemistry. Then we'll do chemistry equations and answers. And then we're out of science and into engineering. Let's just take the science half of everything and put it over here. Now we're looking for Excel and electronics. So we've got engineering, we've got electronics 1, and then we've got electronics 2, circuit analysis, electrical, Linux, SQL, C++, Python, Excel formulas, and Excel 365 formulas. So I think we'll put them in that order. And I might as well just flip you through the rest of them and show you what the rest is there. So the pivot charts and tables, Excel tips and tricks, financial statements, writing tips and tricks, Chicago Manual of Style, English grammar and punctuation, and common grammar pitfalls and mistakes. And that is the full set. There's a lot of knowledge. There's a lot of knowledge in here. So that's my cheat sheets. I want to learn all of that stuff. Now, I saw this little push button. So he obviously fell out. So I'll go and put him away. But I think that's everything. So I'll throw you the third wall cam and we'll wrap up. That's a wrap. So yeah, just a delivery from Amazon today. Pretty happy to have those mesh baskets. Those are good. I was running out of those, so that's a good thing to have. Also the cheat sheets, love those. I've got a really good collection of them now. I'll put a link in the show notes for you. And I suppose the boring bits were the MacBook Pro power supply and the USB hub. So those are the least exciting things for today. Anyway, that concludes this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.